Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we explore the best in tech. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best AirPods Pro 3 alternative you've been looking for, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. With its premium design, next-level features, and cutting-edge sound technology, these earbuds are making a serious mark in the world of wireless audio. Let's see why this might be the upgrade your ears have been waiting for. First off, let's talk about the design. Samsung has really outdone themselves with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Available in a sleek silver finish, these earbuds are not just a treat for the ears but also for the eyes. They feature a redesigned comfort fit, which means you can wear them for hours without discomfort. The canal-type ear tips ensure a snug fit, sealing in the sound and enhancing the noise-canceling capabilities. Speaking of noise cancellation, the Buds 3 Pro come equipped with adaptive active noise cancellation. This intelligent feature uses Galaxy AI to adjust the noise cancelling based on your surroundings, keeping you immersed in your music or calls while also ensuring you stay aware of important sounds in your environment. Whether you're at a crowded cafe or on a quiet walk, the sound will adapt to help you hear what matters. Now, onto sound quality. These earbuds are engineered for an audio experience that transports you. With UHQ audio, you get 24-bit, 96 kHz sound that's rich, detailed, and incredibly immersive. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, the experience is crisp and clear. And if you really want to take it up a notch, the 360 audio feature will make you feel like the sound is all around you, adding that extra level of depth to your listening. Battery life is another big win for the Buds 3 Pro. With active noise cancellation on, the earbuds last up to 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case gives you an additional 20 hours, bringing the total playtime to an impressive 26 hours. And when you're in a rush, just a quick 5-minute charge will give you an hour of listening time. But that's not all. Samsung has packed these earbuds with some cool features that make them stand out. The real-time interpreter with Galaxy AI lets you hear translations during face-to-face conversations. It's a game-changer for anyone who travels or interacts with people from different languages. Plus, the earbuds are IP57 rated, making them water and sweat resistant, perfect for a workout or run in the rain. The intuitive touch controls, including pinch, swipe, and voice commands, give you easy access to all the features you need. No more fumbling with your phone. With just a tap or swipe, you can control your music, adjust the volume, or take calls without any hassle. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are not just another pair of wireless earbuds. They're a complete audio experience with premium sound, incredible noise cancellation, and innovative features that make your day-to-day life easier. If you're looking for an upgrade from the AirPods Pro 3, this might just be the one. Thanks for watching this review here on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next one.